In this video, we changed the display of this Samsung A70s model. You can see the display has some crack. First, turn off the phone and hitting the back glass. Remove the back glass with the help of prior. After heating, glue loses its sticky property and easily removed. Remove the glue stick on the back glass and on the frame with the help of glue removing motor. Clean it properly. The back glass, put it in a safety box and remove all the screws and put it in a box. Remove the SIM tray and the frame. Frame is removed by special prior tool. This frame has some dust. Disconnect the battery and heat the display with the hot gun. Now open it with opener. After removing the display, clean the frame. The frame is cleaning by tweezer and the brush. Here it is a new display. Apply the glue on the frame. And then attach a display. Display alignment must be perfect. Connect the display connector on the subboard. Attach the display on the frame perfectly by the rubber. After 10 minutes, remove all the rubber. Connect the battery and attach the frame. Switch on the mobile and stick the frame with the screws. Apply the special adhesive on the frame to stick the back glass. Now we check the display. The display is working perfectly and attach the SIM tray. Thanks for watching. Like this video.